Calf raise variations are going to work the gastrocnemius muscle in the leg, and this is vital to work post-op. And also when you're getting back into sprinting and jumping, this muscle is absolutely invaluable. So the few key things about this exercise, when you're doing the calf raise, you want to make sure you go up as high as possible, really getting up onto the toe. A lot of people don't quite get that full range of motion. The next thing you want to think about is making sure that you're pushing through the ball of the foot and the big toe. Again, a lot of people go onto the outside of their foot, really try and get onto the ball of the foot where the big toe is and go up through that toe joint. And then also you want to be thinking about going slow on the way down. A lot of people just go up and down really fast. There's no change in tempo. Fast on the way up, and then you want to go nice and slow and controlled on the way down. A variation to make this harder if this is too difficult is to do obviously double legs, but then you can also do double leg up and single leg down like I'm showing in the video. This means that you're getting the harder part of the lift or reducing that harder part of the lift and getting the easier part on the single leg until you can do single leg ones. And to make it harder, you can do this on the edge of a step, making sure that the heel drops lower than the step. Again, a lot of people when they do calf raises on the edge of a step will do this and they will not go too low. They'll basically be doing a normal calf raise on a step versus actually going into a deficit. So your heel is really dropping down lower than that step. It doesn't matter what sort of step or thing you use, you just want to get that heel lower down to the ground.